Hey guys, today's topic is comparison of integers. So as you can see, we're continuing with the integers chapter. So let's get right into it. But before we start comparing integers, let's just do a little recap of what are integers exactly. So an integer, put simply, is any number that can be written without a fractional form. So if you're thinking what is a fractional form, you remember those numbers with the line in between them, two numbers with a line in between, that's fractional. It's simple as that. Or and a decimal also counts as a number in its fractional form. So those numbers which will be like 1.5 or 2.3, anything with a point in it, those are also not integers. So let's have give you some examples here, just so your mind is clear. 2, -4, -9, and 5 are integers, but sorry, half, 3 and 1/4, and 4.5 are not integers. So now that we've established what is an integer and what isn't an integer, let's get into comparing them. So how do we compare integers? For this, I'm going to begin with a simple story to help you guys understand. So let's take this boy named Rohan. Let's keep it simple. He went to the market with $100. Now, out of $50, he purchased cookies. So now he has another $50 left. He spent half of his money, he has $50 left. Then he went to the stationery shop and he bought a notepad with $20. So now he has $30 left. Now finally, he purchased bananas and apples for his mom with $30. So now what he has left is zero. He has no more money left. So now we've established that $100 more than $50 is more than $30 and is more than zero. But the story does not end here. Just before he reached home, he saw an ice cream shop under his building. Now he had no more money, right? But the vendor told him he could pay him back tomorrow. So he bought a cone of chocolate ice cream for $10. So how much money does he have now? So just take 10 seconds to think of a good answer for this question, and um, let's see where you are in 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, let's see. He has minus $10 because he owes the vendor $10 now. He has to pay it back. So now we can see that $100 is more than $50, and that is more than $30. That is more than zero. That is more than minus $10. So I hope you're understanding that how to compare integers. Don't worry, I will elaborate and explain further. Okay, so to make it simpler, let's put all these numbers on a number line. So putting numbers on a number line is the easiest way for you to be able to compare integers. So here you can see on the right side of zero, we have the positive numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And on the left side of zero, we have the negative numbers that are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, and so on. So from this, you must have noticed a pattern, which is fairly simple. It's a fairly simple pattern. You can see that as you move to the right side of the numbers line, your numbers keep increasing in value. And as you keep going to the left side, your numbers keep decreasing in value. Now, this is a very important rule or hack of sorts for you to be able to remember how to compare integers. All right. So yeah, as you move to the right, the values increase. As you move to the left, the values decrease. But now we have zero right in the middle. So you can see that it has no negative sign attached to it. But still, you cannot count it as a positive number, for zero is neither negative nor positive. But you can still compare zero because it will be valued more than a negative integer. So finally, just before we end this lesson, I will give you guys a few examples that you can see and compare, so you can know if you've gotten the concept down or not. So which is greater, -5 or -10? Now for this, I'm going to rush through quickly. I'm only going to give you 5 seconds, all right? So let's go. Okay, so just before I answer this, let me go back to the number line. Now you can see here that -5 is on the left side of zero, but -10 is also on the left side of zero. And we know that as we move left, the numbers decrease. So minus 5 is closer to 0 than minus 10 is. So now we get that minus 5 is greater than minus 10. So if you took 10 and 5 alone, then 10 would obviously be more than 5. But the rules change because these are negative integers. So minus 5 is closer to 0, therefore it is greater than minus 10. Now let's take another example, minus 10 or minus 9. I'm giving you as another 5 seconds. I want you to be able to visualize this on a number line and be able to compare it in your head, okay? 5 seconds on the clock, or well, on my hand. Okay, now again, I'm going to go back to this number line. You can see the positive 9 is on this side and minus 10 is almost on the other side of the spectrum. But 9 is not only is it closer to 0, it is also on the right side of 0. Therefore, it becomes clear right then and there that 9 is greater in value than minus 10. So if you've gotten the two answers correct, then congratulations, you've gotten the concept down. If you haven't, try watching this video a few more times, practice putting numbers on a number line, and you'll get it soon enough, because this is a very simple concept. And I hope I've been clear enough in helping you guys understand this. I hope you guys are enjoying all of these videos that Helping Little Gems is putting out. And make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe, and take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.